Hello everyone, welcome to today's lesson. Today we're going to be talking about algebra, more specifically on how to do equations with variable exponents. Please like and subscribe. When writing variable expressions, you need to know the terms. For example, when you're doing division, the words on the sentence could be distribute or divide. But if it's for multiplication, it could be product or times, or triple or twice. Or if it's for addition, it could be altogether, sum, and total. For minusing, it could be decline, decrease, fewer, or minus. Once you know those, you can start doing the problems. Since now we know what to look for in these sentences and we know all the key terms, I think we can start doing some questions. So the first question is add B and 8. Okay, so add B and 8. So that would be, the key term would be add, so the plus sign, and B and 8, right? So there's no way that there's no from, so we don't need to put it in a certain order. So it could be 8 plus B, which makes more sense for me, or you can do B plus 8. Okay, so this is the first question. I think we got it pretty well. Let's do another question. Okay, so the next one is the sum of 7 and x. Take a look at this question and pause the video and try to figure it out. Okay, now let's do this together. So the sum. So sum is a key term. So that's plus. So of 7 and 8. So of 7 and 8. So I would put 7 plus x. That was also another easy one. Okay, so let's do a different question. I think we're getting this pretty well. Okay. The next one is, this is also a bit easy. Subtract u from I'll do that again. From 9. It says subtract u from 9. Okay, so subtract. That's one main key term. U from 9. That's also another key term. As I said in the beginning, from it makes you pick which way you have to put. So is it 9 first or is it u first? We know it's minus. So is it u or 9? So it says u from 9. So when you take from, it would always be 9 minus u. So this would be the answer. Let's do 2 more questions. Okay. Next one. Divide Q by R. So divide Q by R. So what we have to do is we would divide Q by R. I'll let you have some time to figure this out. So this is division sign. Q by R. So it'll be Q and R. So that would be the answer. Let's do one more question. And after this, I'm very sure you would be done for today. Okay, now let's do our last question. It is also the hardest question, but as long as you do all the steps that we did before and find all the key terms, you'll be able to find the answer pretty quickly. So the question is, add 8 and 7 and subtract the sum with 9 and divide by x. Okay, so as we look at this, we can see that you have to add 8 and 7 first. So it says add, that's one key term, subtract, another key term, and sum is another key term. Divide is also another key term. So let's put that all together. So add 8 and 7. So you put that down. And I would put brackets over it because that's the first step. Put bracket over another one because we're going to be subtracting the sum with 9. So the sum of this, 8 plus 7, with 9. Put another bracket, and this is divide by x. So the sum divided by x, right? So that would be 15 minus 9, which equals to 4, divided by x. And let's say if we put x, if x equaled to 2, we would have to sub that in, so it would be 4 over 2, and that it would equal to 2. So we subbed in, we also figured out all the key terms, and we solved this whole problem. I hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I hope you subscribe and like the video, and if you have any questions, put it down in the comments below. Bye bye, see you in the next video.